Hi friends, in this video let us try to find out average and weighted average. Okay, so what is an average? It is the sum of all these marks the student has scored. So equal to sum, bracket open, sum of all this. So average is sum of this divided by, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. This will give you the average. So in Excel, we have a direct formula for this. Here, what we did as a normal, sum of this divided by total number. So we can use here in Excel, we can use a simple formula, average of this range, bracket close. So we can get it directly. This is a normal method how we do, and this is the Excel trick or a shortcut for average. So let us similarly find out for the weighted average. What is a weighted average? It is the product of score into its weight. So equal to this into this, that is the weight. So we'll get the product of this. Just drag it to get all the score into weight. So I will do the summation here. Sum of all this product of score into weight. You will get this much. Divided by the sum of this one. So I am just adding the sum of all the weights. Okay. So weighted average equal to product of score into weight, summation of this divided by the total weight. So it will be 81%. It is slightly higher than our normal average. So this also we can do with the Excel shortcut method. That is, we have sum product. What does this sum product does? It will multiply this. Okay. So first I will be selecting the one range, comma, I will the second. Okay. So bracket close. Okay, so you are getting the same thing, 8100 divided by the weight average. So you are getting the same way. So this is how we calculate the average and weighted average. We have calculated average with normal, sum of all this divided by total number of them. And weighted average, we have used the sum product and done the calculation. Okay, this is how we use the shortcut tricks of average and weighted average. Thanks for watching. Thank you.